We are demonstrating UV packing, UV cold curing technology for short line repair where there's a crack in the pipe, or a hole in the pipe, or a root intrusion. Instead of relining the whole line, we can just repatch. Together with a concrete UV system from Germany, we are using photo-initiated resins which are used to impregnate. This is a kit of liner that is already wet out and put into a foil protection.
Vacuum seal.
1.5 months of storage. We have 2 kits. We manufacture these kits in South Africa. We deliver them to the client so the client can basically have a touch-free impregnated fiber for the job. Knife for opening up the pack, elastics and a light meter and gloves.
And then you need a compressor, correct?
Compressor is driving. This push rod here has got air, power and the push rod capability, so we can push up using the rod itself. Power and air is provided in here. This connects into the packer, expands the packer with the fiber rod. We're going to show you this demonstration.
And I see you've got a little battery-powered Matava compressor.
Yeah, because we want to make the kits easy and transportable, we want to keep it minimal and transport, and so the fit to small MPV in the back of the vehicle for making the same. Two elastics so we can pull the liner later on. You see this? A knife opening up the pack. There's 2 foils. One is the outside protection foil, so there's no rupturing. So throw away 350 micron, 400 micron film. There's no touch on it. The liner itself is then packaged in a UV protective foil, which is inside here. It's on the earlier on, it's 100 pipe for a short patch. So you can see the impregnation of the photo-initiated resins inside here. Very nicely impregnated. You can see when you push that you get wet underneath. And what we're going to do is, that's the patch basically of photo-initiated resin. In fact, when in the sun now, so now we can put the packer on. The push rod is not necessary to this one onto the edge on the other side. The push rod is not necessary on a straight one like this, but when you're going around bends and corners, which we'll demonstrate, we use the push rod. This is a patented innovation. Gloves are important. Ventilation is important. So we put this on just to keep it in place while we're pushing it into the line. Sometimes we're pushing it further. You can use electrical turn as well. Generally this operation could be done by one guy. The third one would be Henry. Into the calibration hose which represents the pipe. Try and work as neat as possible. Calibration hose represents the pipe for this. It's 100 kV. So the push rod gives us nice direction. Now then you're pushing the pipe up to the measurement that you can have on the push rod. The packer has the crack is here, simulate the crack. The technician now applies air pressure. Connects it up. It's in the line at the crack. The camera's confirmed. Only a mark on the cable as to where the patch is going to be in the calculated length. And the technician then turns on the gear. The first is activated now. She's got the switch playing. And you've done it.
It's nice and hard,
You can see it pushing here. You can see this is pushing and showing you the contact now. It's actually starting to bond, and we should see this all over. It should be continuous. Just to expand it. This one here is going to space to expand it. We have a pressure charge, pure charge, and 20 volts. Everything is supplied in the
manual.
Part of the training in the manual. As well as dealing with polymers and photo initiations and this kind of stuff. PPE, safety, health and safety measurements, UV glasses. So you can see here she's starting to fill up now. Pushing the lining into place. Just give it a couple more minutes.
Primary bonding is so important.
It's pretty tight to the side here.
So you can see the guys have got their pressure regulated. And we're almost ready to start curing.
Now in place, we've got the measurement on the tube where it should be. Start the clock. We start the UV curing process now. Lights are switched on. Can't cure anything will not happen. And in 10 minutes this can be pulled out and will be a solid patch.
So Ewan, what you're saying is the guys are going to go to site. They're going to have one of these vacuum packed.
I have a series of these in the vehicle for different sizes, 80s, 100s, 150s. You're going to have a kit like this in the vehicle, small compressor, it's accessible, 2 patches or 2 packers, UV packers for different sizes.
There's a different size.
And the technician basically could go on site by himself. CCTV would have happened, and cleaning would have happened, pipe conditioner setting would have happened at this stage. This is simply rehabilitating where would have been a crack or a root ingestion in the patch. Oh yeah, you can see the light tech is now starting to cook up. So we have another 9 minutes and the technician can go home.
So no more sitting hours and hours on job, no mixing resins.
Everything is one component now.
So-
Everything needs the light.
Yes, so a set of 2 technicians with a training course, a stopwatch, and a sealed vacuum packed. It's beautiful.
It'll be easier, and we don't have the chances of collapse miners here because you can see what we're doing.